Welcome to Friday's English. Just like last Friday when I introduced you to something new, I introduced you to syntactical gymnastics. I'm going to do the same thing again today. Now, I really like syntactical gymnastics because it really brings out our imagination and our creativity within English. We don't have to concentrate on the grammar and the punctuation. That still should be ingrained, but we're really concentrating on how creative and how imaginative you can be. So a reminder, syntactical gymnastics is I give you 3 words, and then you need to come up with a sentence with those 3 words. So the first 3 words are this: toilet, map, and kangaroo. So try and give you 3 words that are not linked, and then you have to be creative to link them. So your first sentence just needs to be a short sentence that includes those 3 words. So, the kangaroo used a map to find the nearest toilet. And there we go. Kangaroo, map, and toilet. So it's kind of like a warm-up, your first sentence. Your second sentence needs to be more of a paragraph that includes a word from Book Talk. Now, if you remember, during Book Talk, we should still be collecting just 1 word a day. You collected a lot more from last week, so you can use some of them if you want. But you need to use some words that you have been reading about that are either been new to you or that are powerful, that have had a good impact in your story, and you need to include them, and that's in the second paragraph. So here's my second paragraph. Remember, it's a little bit longer, it's a little bit more creative. It's almost like a short story. And then I will show you which words I had to include that I read this week. So, the expectations for this trip were high. Casey, the kangaroo guide, had led her tour group for 4 days in search of this springy creature. So remember, it's coming into more of a story now rather than just linking them together, because so far I've only used kangaroo. One of the words that I did have to use, that I've used from my story, was expectation. So far I've used them. So you might have to just plan a little bit in your head of how you want your paragraph to go. So the expectations for this trip were high. Casey, the kangaroo guide, had led her tour group for 4 days in search of this springy creature. Demonstrating, another word from the book, her amazing map skills, Casey knew the kangaroos were not far. So map there, demonstrating is another word I had to use. You put a bit of speech in, you can do the same. There! Yelled Casey, pointing to the band of kangaroos. Ew. screamed one of the group. That kangaroo is going to the toilet. Casey looked down in dismay. And so there's toilet. It says my 3 words: kangaroo, map, and toilet. And 2 words from the book that I've read that I was impressed with were expectation and demonstrating. So that's what you're going to do today. So you're going to do 6 sentences for me. Sentence 1, these 3 words in a sentence. Sentence 2, a paragraph that includes a word or 2 from Book Talk. Sentence 3 will be like sentence 1, just one that includes these 3 words: towel, book, and spider. Sentence 4 is the same as sentence 2, but using these words. Sentence 5, your 3 words are keyboard, hot air balloon, and dinosaur. So that's sentence 5 is like sentence 1, and then sentence number 6 is like number 2 again. A little bit longer, including some words. So syntactical gymnastics today. Be creative, be imaginative. I'm really looking forward to reading some of these in the future.